thank you so much for bringing us into your homes and watching our videos. We really couldn't see this going this far, but we've got 350 subscribers and we are very grateful for all of you. God bless and see you next time.
Hi y'all, it's Cousin Tracy. I'm here to say thank you so much for watching the Cooking Cousins channel. We greatly appreciate all your support. Really enjoy the ones that give us feedback, leave your comments, like us or maybe not. And we greatly appreciate the ones that are subscribing. Keep it up as we get out of our comfort zone and can continue cooking by your support. So thank you all, and I hope you continue watching.
Hello, Cooking Cousin fans. This is Dawn. It's been a minute. I think I've made one actual video since we started this, and wow, we've reached 350 viewers and followers, and we're excited to thank all of you. I know when I first started the videos, I was in Neosho, Missouri. A lot has happened since then, hence why I haven't been making videos. I have since moved to Texas. So now I'm a cooking cousin from Texas, and hopefully we'll be adding and contributing. I'm coming to you now with the help of my sister to say thank you again so much for watching me and my cousins while we give you some recipes, foods, tips, gardening, and hopefully some travel. And I'm going to give you a bunch of foodie updates, and we'll take it from there. But I'll be back to see you soon from Texas. Thanks so much for watching again.
Hey, it's Cousin Tim in Missouri. Just wanted to stop and say a quick thanks to everybody who tunes in, checks us out, hangs around, watches these videos that we do, and we're chipping away at this a little bit at a time. We've reached 350 subscribers, and we really want to thank those of you who subscribed and watch these videos for us. So share these things with your friends, family, and see if we can get some more. We'd really like to boost this up and get maybe 500 subscribers by end of June maybe. So come on, bring some people along with you. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it.